Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. This is the second video of the year. If you didn't watch my previous video, then check this out because it's a review. And I guess without further ado, let's get started. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create this kind of wings. If you're a beginner, this video is completely for you guys. I'm just explaining from scratch how to recreate this makeup look. And if you think that your hand is shaking or you're not skillful, then don't worry. Today we're using only eyeshadows that you can wipe off and start over. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you've primed your lid. I'm using NYX Private Eye Primer. I take extra care of blending, otherwise my eyelids are gonna be sticky. I believe angled brush is the best option to outline wing shape. As for shadows, I picked Makeup Revolution Turkish Delight palette, color Pomegranate. Create a line that's gonna link brow tail with outer third of the lid. I left a bit extra space to sharpen my wing in the future. Time to draw a line on the crease, but make sure the line in the outer third is a bit higher your natural shape. Don't drag it down. That's important. Once you're done, link the rest of the wing with your brow tail. Next brush will help to make the contour more precisely and brighter. I use similar color to Pomegranate and make my wing thicker. Last but not least brush is blending and smoothing lines. Grab pink color or any other shade with brush. Tap off extra product and blend over and over and over again. Back to angled brush that is so perfect for sharpening. Well, start sharpening. With flat brush, clean the edge using concealer or, as I did, rose watercolor from the same palette. To make shimmer pop even more, I wet my brushes every time and pack them over the lid. Just pack. I love extra and at essence pigments in most of my looks. This one is no exception. I repeat every color on the lower lid and in the corner, like in the inner corner, I'm placing some glitters. Finish off the look with Essence mascara, some extra shadows, and lashes. Okay guys, that concludes my very simple beginning style makeup look. So we created some wings with help of eyeshadows. You can pick any eyeshadows you prefer. I picked pink ones. You can try to work with, I don't know, black or brown or anything. The technique is going to be pretty much the same. So at first you just create a shape, then you start blending this out with a little bit different size of brushes. That's pretty much it. I hope to see you in my next video. That's going to be uploaded really soon. With love. Bye bye.